Hi everybody. Today we're going to put together this Clearstream 5. It's a VHF antenna. It's meant to complement over here the DB8. You can use it with, without, whatever. So we're going to unbox it. We're going to look and see what comes in the package. So we have, it's aluminum. I thought it was going to be heavier, but it's actually pretty darn light. I think it's 3 pounds. The whole antenna is 3 pounds. It comes with the reflector and the rear, I'll call it a frame, that's already assembled. You can see here that it's got a bracket and it's riveted on. It's a rivet. A little safety sticker, watch out. Be careful around power lines. Always be careful around power lines. Another item comes in the box is a diplexer. So this diplexer will allow you to combine the two antennas without any type of interference. And of course this is going to be the front element. And this is what's going to bring your VHF in. If you're interested what the rating is, Antennas Direct says it's 7.6 dBi on VHF and about 4.9 dBi on UHF. Should you want to run this antenna by yourself, by itself, you should be able to pick up some usable UHF, especially if you're in a strong signal area. But I think its best strength is to be used as a VHF antenna combined with another UHF antenna. So we'll go ahead and get the rest of the stuff out of the box. They give you a couple of RG59. I prefer RG6, but I think in short runs RG59 is okay. But I use RG6 on everything. These are the spacers that are going to go between the two, between the reflector and the element, and it's going to look like this when it's done. So first step is to look and make sure you've got all your pieces. We've kind of done that already. We've got the element, the reflector assembly, we've got the 4 spacers, we've got 8 screws and washers are in there. Then we have the U-bolts and wing nuts here. These are that's your mass clamp. And of course your diplexer, which you may or may not use unless you're, if you're using this by itself, you won't need that. If you're combining it with the UHF antenna, you will need that. So I think what we'll do, we'll try to orient this, find out what's front and back. I believe this is the front because of the holes that the spacers are going to go into are on this side, so that would make it the part that goes in the back. Alright, I've got my screws out. They say all you need here for tools is an adjustable pliers, which I have, and a Phillips screwdriver, which I have.